power was to be transferred from British to Indian hands. With reservations, of course, the plan has had a good reception. From Nehru for the Hindus, from Jinnah for the Muslims, and from Sardar Baldev Singh for the Sikhs. It meant partition of India, partition of the Punjab, Bengal, and Assam, if so desired. It meant dominion status almost immediately. The Muslims, the Sikhs, and the Hindus were at least agreed on the sincerity of Britain, and they accepted the plan now put to them by Lord
ये पंजाब का है, बंगाल का पोर्शन है।
एक फ्री लगा। देखिए।
आप शाम को पढ़ूंगा।
आज? मैं तो बस देखो मैं पढ़ गया।
पार्टी।
वो पार्टी साहब की। वो रिसेप्शन तो सर है। वो तो आगे मौका गया। तो वाशरूम गया थी ये। देखिए थी।
हाँ। मेरे ख्याल में सर जॉन फ्लड आ रहा है।
आए उन्हें?
हाँ, इसका मतलब। Good day, sir. Good day.
No, please. Now, gentlemen, this shouldn't take long. Now, your two governments have assigned us the power to determine assets and liabilities. Frontier demarcations, you can see they're painting the map now. Transfer of senior military personnel and currency are what we shall discuss today. Sad day for me. No other option. British Indian Army now split into two. But Mr. Nehru and Mr. Jinnah displayed wisdom and maturity in agreeing that British generals should remain in control of both their armies. This should help to ease the transition and hopefully prevent you from going at each other's throats. The delicate question of liabilities, prisoners, lunatics, and the like, we shall move on to later.
These loonies, sir, are a very serious problem. Some of us were rather hoping that you might take them with you.
How many lunatics are we talking about?
Well, I don't exactly, certainly several thousand.
Can't we leave it for another day? If you will forgive me, it seems misplaced to be talking about lunatics when there are far more pressing problems.